Hello, sir. This is Clint from China. You quoted our digital control hot scrimping machine. Please check this model as your requirements. Yes, I think it's okay. Now, please start it. There are 3 controls. Yes. This is opening. This is closing. Yes. This is photo pedal. Please check it. Yes, please check it. This is automatic opening and opening automatic closing. But I don't control it. Please see there is full automatic. Yes. Don't use hands. It's very convenient for us. You could choose dice number. This one and the target diameter. It's for inner diameter of hose. This is time lapse. You could choose it. Yes, you could choose it. And this. It's okay.